How to subscribe to Glovo Prime on Glovo. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can subscribe to Glovo Prime on Glovo. If you are wondering how you can subscribe to Glovo Prime, ensure you watch this video to the end. To subscribe to Glovo Prime is very simple. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Glovo application installed on your mobile device and that you're using the latest version of Glovo. Once you've met this requirement, just click on the app to launch it. Alright, so once the app has been launched, you'll be brought to the home page of the app already immediately, where you would see the option asking you to order and all of that, and then you will see the stores available. Okay, so once you've seen this, all you need to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you will see accounts, my orders, my information, then Glovo Prime. Alright, just go ahead and click on it. Now my screen is blank because Glovo does not allow sharing your screen, this particular screen, because it contains your personal information. You just click on Glovo Prime. And once you click on Glovo Prime, you'll be directed to another page where you would see options and benefits that you would get by upgrading to Glovo Prime, and then you'll be asked to choose your plan. Alright, click on choose your plan, and then you'll be asked to select the plan that you like to choose. Is it the monthly plan, the quarterly plan, or the yearly plan? Once you've selected your plan, you'll be directed on that page where you'll be asked to enter your plan again, select a card where you'll be asked to add the card. Click on add a card, input your card details, make your payment, and then automatically you would be subscribed to Global Prime. Very simple and direct. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.